good YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys, man. So in this video, I will be addressing to you guys on exactly how much I spent on this system right here. So it's gonna be the top 5 expensive things I bought. We're gonna start with the first expensive and work our way down to the least expensive. So if you are looking to do an audio system, man, this is not even including the Dynamat. We're gonna get to that part last. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, and I'm gonna point out everything that cost me a lot of money. So let's oh, shit. Okay. The price is about to have me sweating in a minute, boy, because you know I did this little by little. So don't think that I did this all at one time. I did this little by little. So if you guys are like, you know, put your money aside, whatever it costs, man, take a little bit and put it to the side. You know what I'm saying? And then do the mod that you want, or the audio system that you want. You know what I'm saying? Never say you can't afford something. Just know how to balance your money. You know, maybe get a better job. I'm not saying whatever job. I don't know what job you're at, but I'm just saying, you know, just put your money aside. You know, cut down on the spending and going out, splurging. Just take your time, and I promise you, it's gonna come to light. I'm telling you. So, let's go ahead and start with the amp. Whew. So, as you guys can see right here, this is a Rockford Fosgate T2500 BD Power Series. So this amp alone, true RMS, man. This thing is pushing out 3,200 watts of RMS at 1 ohm. Okay, this amp right here cost $2,500 before tax. Okay, $2,500 just for this 1 amp. All right. Next, we got the subwoofer. All right, so this is the Rockford Fosgate T213. All right. This thing says 2,000 RMS, but you guys, I'm literally pushing. I'm pushing at least about 3,000 to this sub, and I'm gonna tell you like this: the sub slaps, but sometimes I don't turn it up all the way. If you guys see right here, I cracked my trunk just a little bit. All right, this thing hits hard, but sometimes I be turning it down. So when I be in traffic, I don't even have this thing at its full potential. The trunk literally just goes crazy. If you guys can see, I got my trunk 100% Dynamat. We're gonna get to how much the whole car cost me to Dynamat. So this subwoofer right here cost about $1,400. $1,400 for this subwoofer. Okay, and just to let you guys know, like I said, man, I've been saving up. You know what I'm saying? I never did all this at one time. Well, I did the install at one time, but I've been saving up. I put everything to the side, and then when I had everything I needed, that's when I started to install. Third, we have the Rockford Fosgate 10 farad capacitor. So this capacitor right here is hooked up to the main battery and underneath the hood, and then I got a power lead 0 gauge running to the battery that's in the back. We're gonna get to that in a second. But this Rockford Fosgate 10 farad cost about $400. So a lot of people say, where'd you get a cap? Where'd you get a cap? Listen. This is my car, all right? There's nothing wrong with having a cap, but I still have a secondary battery, all right? Nothing wrong with having more power, okay? Okay. All right. So, like I addressed in the previous clip, I said clear as day. I got a secondary battery. I got 3 batteries, pretty much. I technically got 3 batteries running for this sub right here, and I will be uploading. I will be hooking up another sub, which is going to be a T213, but I'm going to put that on a T1500. And yeah, so enough of that. Let's get back to the other stuff. All right, next up we got the 4-channel amps. So we got 1, 2, then we got the LC2i, right? People are asking me, how do you have this LC2i and you have all these speakers? Well, you guys, I got a distributor block that's inserted into here with RCAs, so I can hook up multiple RCAs. It's a good, high quality. I'll put the link in the description down below where I got it, okay? But one of these amps, this amp alone is not even hooked up, as you guys can see right here. So this amp right here is run about $450, okay? Remind you, I got two of these. So I paid $450, $450. Then the LC2i, I paid $150. Yes, $150. So all this stuff that I got was bought brand new. Okay? That was all bought brand new. Now we're not done. We're not done. All right, so let's start with this one. We got one tweeter right here. We got one tweeter in the door. Then we got another tweeter over there and another tweeter inside that door. We got another tweeter right here. Then we got another tweeter right there. All right. And then we got two tweeters right there. Then we got another tweeter inside that speaker port. You ain't gonna see it. There's two tweeters in there. You ain't gonna see it because the box is literally like built in. So for those speakers alone, I spent literally $1,200 for those speakers. Just for the speakers, I spent $1,200. Not pesos, US. $1,200 for all the speakers. And that's not including the rest that I'm gonna put in here. So let's start with the fuse holder. So basically, each of these fuse holders from Rockford Falls Gate costs about 40 bucks. I have two of these. I have one in the back and I have one in the front. I'm going ahead and show you guys the one that's in the front. So this one right here is 40 and this one right here is 40. So in total for fuse holders, that's $80. Just for the fuse holders, that's $80 right there. And if you guys were wondering, I bought all of my stuff off of Amazon, not Amazon. I bought some things off of Amazon, some things off of eBay, and some things off of Sonic Electronics. So now I'm about to show you guys the battery and how much I paid for it. Battery right here ran about $380. Yeah, this right here ran about $380. Okay? Just for this battery. This battery right here can handle up to 5,000 watts of RMS. So this thing is getting plenty of power. Not even including the 10 farad that's in the back underneath the seat. And then what I'm gonna do is once I install another T213, I'm gonna take this off. I'm not gonna show you guys how I do that, but I can get behind here. I got, you know, security, stuff like that, blah, 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 blah. But I'm gonna install another battery to put for the other T213. So if you guys are, you know, going along with me, I want you guys to comment down below how much have you calculated so far that I spent on the sound system, and we're gonna see if you're right. Now let's get to the sound deadener. So remind you guys, I bought 10 boxes of sound deadener to put on this Honda Accord. Okay? So, you see I got sound deadener all on the trunk. I got sound deadener. Literally if you watch I'm gonna put a link down below, you guys, to let you guys see the build when I installed the Dynamat. This car has literally, it's fully covered with Dynamat. The bumper, everything you can possibly name. Dynamat. Okay? So, just for the Dynamat alone, I spent oh gosh. Whew. So, just for the Dynamat alone, you guys, I spent $1,200 on just Dynamat. Okay? That Dynamat literally lowered my car a little bit. If you guys don't know, man, before I even put this in, it literally lowered my car. Literally. And I believe each box weighs 65 pounds. So that's 65 times 10. This literally is 650 pounds worth of Dynamat that is on this car. Okay? So, solid as a rock. Doors, door jambs, floorboard, everything that you can possibly name is strictly Dynamat. Okay? This car gives no rattles. It's solid base. That's why a lot of people ask me, like, why is my car hitting like that? Hold on, you guys, I'm not even done. I just told you I put Dynamat. Now I didn't even include the Dyna liner. So let me see if you guys can see right here, this little foam right here. This is Dyna liner. This is a 1/2 inch thick of Dyna liner. Now I have a 1/2 inch thick of Dyna liner all on the floorboard, the top, the panels, the door jambs, the trunk, inside the trunk. You see right here, I got a Dyna liner in there. Okay, so with that Dyna liner, cost me, I put 5 boxes. That's $300 right there. Okay, just for a Dyna liner. So how much have you guys calculated so far that I put in this sound system? Comment it down below. Okay, comment it down below how much did I put into the sound system. Hey, we're not even done yet. Forgot about the 0 gauge wire. So now we're gonna get down to speaker wire. We're gonna get down to power wire and all of that. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna go back to explain it. I got 0 gauge all around except for the 2 mini 4-channel amps. So for power wire, I spent $400 just for 0 gauge power wire. Now, like I said, you guys, I'm running power from the front all the, look, I got it literally hooked up properly, okay? And the speaker wire, I spent $180 just for speaker wire, okay? Run wires through the door jambs. As you guys can see, a lot of audio shops don't do this kind of job. I did this all myself. Everything is ran right. Everything is hooked up right. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, just alone, that's how much I spent. Okay, you guys? So, I want you guys to comment down below right now, how much did you calculate so far on this sound system? Ready for me to reveal how much I spent in total? So, in total for this whole sound system, you guys, that's not even complete yet. And you know, also, I forgot about the box. I forgot about the box. So, the box alone, I spent $850. MDF, double layered box. Support brackets inside to hold this 100-pound subwoofer. So, in total, you guys, I spent $10,210 on this sound system. Okay? $10,200. So when people ask me, you can't afford no Hellcat, you can't afford no other car, you got a Honda. Let me tell you guys something. I buy what I want. I work for what I want. I don't gotta impress nobody. I do my work and I show off my work and how I done it. You understand me? So I just spent the down payment for your Hellcat right here in this car. Okay? Just think about that. All right? And this is not even to mention what I have in my Lincoln Navigator. Okay? So, before you guys start jumping on the comments saying, oh, it's a Honda, my sound systems alone is 2 down payments for a Hellcat. Let that sink in real quick. Let that sink in. And I even include the other mods I've done to this car besides the audio system. So that's gonna be in a separate video. So I want you guys to understand, this is my car. I love music. This is what I want to do. So if you want to do a mod like this, man, I'm only showing you guys that you can do it once you save up your money. Okay? Save up your money. Don't, look, I'm in Arizona right now. I'm out of breath. It's 120 degrees outside. So make sure you save your money, and you're gonna get what you want in life. Don't worry about what the next person has. You understand me? Never worry about what the next person has, because when a person sees this Honda right here, just to the sound system alone and the car, it's worth more than your. This is a 2016, remind you. This right here is worth more than your BMW. Okay, just gonna just put that out there. If I was to want to sell everything that I put in here, the labor, all of that, yeah. But that's gonna pretty much be it for this video, you guys. My camera right now is literally getting hot. It's 110 degrees today in Arizona. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you got any other questions, man, comment down below. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.